Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we are with PotomacBeads, and we are going to do a little spotlight today for you on one of the Par Puca beads that is very little unknown. So
yes, I didn't know about this one.
Yeah, so this is a Par Puca bead, actually not the newest Par Puca, but new to us. We just finally got them in. And they are the
Ilos
bead. And when you're looking at them, they're basically a one hole. So this is kind of a fun Par Puca. There's the Minos, which is also one hole, and then the Ilos that we have
here. It is from the top, so you can see it's a triangular shape. Kind of like a long pinch bead, if you're familiar with a pinch bead.
Yeah.
Or kind of like you squished it, so it's...
So it got fatter.
Yeah.
4 by 5 millimeters. So it's almost that circle and basically cutting off the ends. And it's that ILOS. And we have it in a number of different colors now. We have the purple and the blue because we were playing with them and designing and battling it out on a Facebook Design Live challenge. And it's fun to kind of go back to using a one-hole bead. And
you forget how much you really can do with one holes until you start using a really cool bead like this.
So this is just kind of what Anna and I played with initially, and we're interested to go back. Both of us had said about taking basically all of the examples and all of the designs that work with pinch beads, and a lot of beaded bead with pinch beads. That simple beaded bead that you see a lot of people do with the pinch bead, these would be really cool as another size. We want to work with them together too.
They work really nicely together because they have those 3 flattened sides. It's kind of like you just took a round bead and like paddled it on 3 sides and squished it down. So you can see here they fit really nicely together, and I have
kind of
2 here. Yeah, and they start to form that curve as they sit next to each other. So they're nice to use.
Going around. Yeah, and you could even go around here with 6 of them, and they would really kind of cup together. You can see here, once you get something in them, they're going to sit with one side up versus like a button bead where it kind of moves around because it is that kind of right in the middle
side.
Yeah, because it's right in the middle, it helps. And this one here, I actually stuck a cup button in the middle of, and then did a little shank at the back to work as a clasp, or I think I'm actually going to put it legit on my winter coat and sew it in there. So it's fun to play with just another shape of Czech glass. And it's interesting to see all of these puca beads, kind of how they fit together. We'll put some of the tutorials that use them up on our website. That way you can download and see what Puca had in mind when she added them to the list as well.
So to put you on the spot, what do you think this fits with?
This one itself kind of putting me to the spot. It's going to go inside of the arcos, where you're going to have kind of that curve to it. So coming back here, it'll go inside the arcos. The telos, it would fit inside of the telos as well because of the size that it is. And then I see it on the sides.
I don't know that if it's meant to fit with anything. I think it's just a cool shape that fits with itself.
Correct. Yeah. So it can line up with the other beads, or it can fit in its shelf as well too. And if you need any, check out the links below us for PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu to get all of your beading supplies. And then remember, even if you subscribe to our regular Potomac Beads channel, to hit the little bell and subscribe. Anna's side, to hit the little bell and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well to stay up with the new products. See our honest reviews about them and kind of what we see them being used for, and get a heads up to stay on top of the beading world. Thanks so much for everybody for joining us, and really have fun kind of if you decide to try out all of these Par Puca shapes, and let us know too in the comments what you're planning on doing, because we are still looking and deciding too as well, so it's fun to get that in. We may use your idea. So thanks so much everyone for joining in, and have fun trying out this newer Par Puca bead.